Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and this is
Kirstin with Digital Dreams.
Okay, so today's video, we're just going to tell you guys about what we have coming up. We have a bunch of LED walls coming up. We have some other business things coming up. We're moving from our current office to a larger office, just like 3 suites down. And so we're going to have a video about us moving from this site to that site. We're going to have a dedicated YouTube room because right now this YouTube room is like an office.
This YouTube room was my office. And now I'm in the lobby.
So now she's in the lobby. So we're going to scoot this to a dedicated room with the other suite so she can have an office again. We have that coming up. We have
a bunch of big LED projects coming up. San Antonio
Atlanta.
Is a gaming hall.
Yeah, like 3 50-foot screens. San Antonio, yeah, we have 3 50-foot screens that are hanging on this motorized, like, I don't even know what you call it, but this machine, it's gonna, like, if they have the gaming hall set up facing north and all of a sudden they wanna flip it around and have everybody facing south, they'll move all 3 50-foot screens to the other side of the building and face another way. We have that wall, or those walls coming up in like 2 weeks. We have Atlanta. We have an LED wall coming up in Atlanta. We have an LED wall coming up in New York. We have an LED wall coming up in, where's the other one? Oh, San Jose. Yeah, San Jose. So San Jose is gonna be cool. That's gonna be at the Adobe headquarters. We have, I think 6 pillars that go from the first floor to the second or third of LED.
And then 2 other LED screens, yeah.
Coming up. We have those coming up this year. We have, right now we're like super backed up on a bunch of jobs that we have right now. They're all hitting at the same time. And what else do you want to talk about? Tell them.
I'm here for your channel.
Yeah, so she filled in for me earlier today on another video because she was like, spice up the channel. And it's hard. You sit down in front of the camera and you think like, oh, it's gonna be easy, and then all of a sudden you're just like, you freeze up. I always explain it like I'm on Talladega Nights and I don't know what to do with my hands half the time. I don't know, like,
I'm really good on camera, in front of camera, as everybody can tell. No, it is really hard because you feel super self-conscious right out the gate.
Right.
And you don't know what to say. You don't know where to look. I don't know where to look right now at this moment.
So yeah, so anyways, that's us about the channel. That's us about our upcoming work. We got that upcoming videos we're gonna show you guys. We just bought a 360 camera, so some of our videos for the LED walls, we're gonna have a way for you to spin through the video and see through the whole, all around the walls that we're doing. So we're experimenting with that tonight. We got another bank that we're installing tonight in Chinatown, the part 2. I don't know if you saw that short. We're also starting to do the shorts, the YouTube shorts, which I really like. We've only done 1 so far, but we're doing 1 more of those, I think, for Thursday. We're trying to drop them every Thursday. But right now, we're committed to a video every Monday and every Friday, which is double.
That's a lot.
What we normally do. So last year we did one like
once a week. We tried.
Yeah. So now we're trying to do twice a week, which is
hard.
Henceforth, this video.
This is one of them. Therefore, why we are here currently.
We have too many things that we haven't been able to edit, so we're trying to catch up. This is one of those videos, so I just want to let you guys know thanks for watching, and that's some of the stuff coming up.
I watch every video.
She doesn't watch any of the videos.
Okay, I watch
she just talks crap when she hears my intro.
I just watch none of the videos. Because when we first started this, it took Ben 45 minutes to pop out an intro.
It was brutal, but now I can just do them really quick. That's why we used to have so many outtakes, and we took all the outtakes out. But I think like people like watching the outtakes, like we like watching the outtakes most of the time. So I've been doing it like really quick. Like here we go, here's the channel, get ready to watch it, and then we like end it. But I think we need to keep some of that stuff on. Action!
Stop clapping.
Okay, yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and today we're...
And it's Kirstin with Digital Dreams.
And
you didn't introduce me.
I was about to.
What up, it's Ben. This whole channel's about me. Everything's about me.
Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and this is... Go!